highly competitive market, Honda has once again stepped up its game with the unveiling of the 2025 CB500 Four, a motorcycle that promises to redefine the expectations of midweight riders everywhere. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and powerful performance, the CB500 Four is positioned to not only compete, but to dominate its rivals in the segment. One of the standout features of the 2025 CB500 Four is its lightweight chassis, which enables remarkable agility and handling. Weighing in at just 425 pounds, this motorcycle utilizes a steel frame engineered for both strength and response. Whether navigating through urban environments or carving through winding roads, the CB500 Four promises a riding experience that is both exhilarating and confidence-inspiring. Under the hood, Honda has outfitted the CB500 Four with a refined 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a robust 47 horsepower. This engine not only provides ample power for spirited riding but also offers smooth performance throughout the rev range, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced riders. The bike's state-of-the-art fuel injection system further enhances its efficiency, ensuring that riders can enjoy longer journeys without frequent stops at the pump. In keeping with Honda's commitment to safety and rider comfort, the 2025 CB500 Four boasts a suite of advanced technological features. The bike is equipped with an anti-lock braking system, ABS, which enhances braking performance in all conditions. Additionally, the inclusion of traction control helps prevent will slip during acceleration, providing peace of mind in unpredictable weather conditions. Riders can expect a comfortable experience thanks to the ergonomically designed seat and handlebars that promote a natural riding posture. This thoughtful design minimizes fatigue during long rides, making the CB500 Four an ideal companion for both daily commuting and weekend adventures. Aiding its aesthetic appeal, the 2025 CB500 Four is available in a range of striking colors, each complemented by meticulously designed LED lighting. This attention to detail not only enhances visibility for safer rides, but also lends a modern flair to the classic motorcycle silhouette. In an age where connectivity is paramount, Honda ensures that the CB500 Four meets the modern rider's demands with optional Bluetooth integration. This feature allows cyclists to connect their smartphones, access navigation apps, and manage calls and music directly from the bike's interface, a welcome addition for today's tech-savvy riders. As manufacturers continue to push the boundaries of motorcycle performance and style, the 2025 Honda CB500 Four emerges as a frontrunner in the midweight category. With its combination of power, agility, and advanced technology, Honda has crafted a motorcycle that not only outperforms the competition but also elevates the overall riding experience. As anticipation builds for its official release, one thing is certain. The 2025 Honda CB500 Four is poised to make a significant impact on the world of motorcycling, carving a new path for riders seeking versatility, performance, and sheer enjoyment on two wheels.